What's up, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be factory resetting the Viziuuy camera. So if you're in the installing process or you're in the troubleshooting process, this is a good way to just completely restart with the camera. I made some mistakes when I was syncing up. There was some app issues that I needed to make sure that I could allow so the app could work and be able to sync this. So I'm going to have to start over from scratch. So I wanted to show you guys how to factory reset this. So the first thing that you're going to want to see is you're going to want to make sure that it has power. It clearly has power here, but if it didn't, you would go ahead and hold that power button for about 5 seconds, and that would turn on the power. But there's also a button on here that's a reset button. And to reset it, you're going to hold that for 5 seconds. So go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, and there you go. You heard the beep. Now it's flashing red, and the reset has initiated at this point. So you'll see that the light is turned red, and it's here in the recess process. When you hear that little boo-goo, that's how you know that it's reset. So if you guys have any questions or need any help, just let me know. I'm going to have another video on how to install it. So I'll show you guys how to do that as well. But any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.